In 1970, Chevrolet unleashed a car so powerful, the US government tried to ban it. This is the Chevelle SS454, a 450 horsepower monster that rewrote the rules of speed. Strap in as we reveal why this car terrified insurance companies, and why it's still king today. Born in the golden age of muscle cars, the SS454 was Chevrolet's middle finger to emissions laws. Its 7.4L V8 engine was so brutal, GM lied about its power rating to avoid a crackdown. But gearheads knew the truth. This was the fastest production car ever built. The SS454 wasn't just power, it was style. That iconic dual-stripe hood, hidden headlights, and a rear spoiler sharp enough to cut glass. Every detail screamed race car, but the real magic? A cockpit designed to make you feel like a drag strip god. Under the hood lurked the LS6 engine, a 450 HP beast that could hit 60 mph in 5.5 seconds. But GM panicked. They detuned it to 360 HP on paper, fearing insurance hikes. Spoiler alert, nobody bought the lie. On the strip, the SS454 was untouchable. It shredded tires, outran Corvettes, and left Mustangs in the dust. But its success backfired. By 1972, emissions laws killed muscle cars. This was the last true rebel. The SS454 wasn't just a car, it was a symbol. From Dazed and Confused to rap lyrics, this icon defined American cool. Even Jay Leno calls it the greatest muscle car ever built. But why? Today, fewer than 1/200 LS6 models exist. In 2023, one sold for $1.2 million, but there's the kicker. Experts say its value will double by 2030. Want to know why collectors are obsessed? Restoring an SS454 is like defusing a bomb. One wrong move and you'll ruin its value. We tracked down a master mechanic to share the number one mistake amateurs make. Hint, it's not the engine. Listen closely. That roar isn't just noise, it's a symphony. The LS6's side exhaust growl was so aggressive, neighbors called the cops. Let's hear why. The SS454's DNA lives on. Modern supercars like the Hellcat owe their existence to this legend. But here's the tragedy. We'll never see cars like this again. We asked fans to share their wildest SS454 stories. One guy outran a helicopter. Another traded his house for one in 1980. Smash that like button if you'd do the same. Myth. The SS454 was unreliable. Truth. Its frame was bulletproof. The real issue? Owners couldn't stop flooring it. No wonder engines blew. Chevy tried to revive the SS454 in 2024 and failed. Their electric concept had the name but not the soul. Comment below, should muscle cars stay V8? Want more forbidden car stories? Smash subscribe. We're dropping the truth about the Hemi Cuda next week. Turn on notifications or you'll miss it. If you made it this far, you're a true gearhead. Comment your dream muscle car, and we might feature it.